I'm Jacob Murray. I work at Topsy Farms on Amherst Island. Topsy Farms is an eco-ethical sheep farm that has been in business since 1972. We live in a spot that is surrounded by water and good people. Our Victory Garden project is an extension and continuation of that idea. Planting gardens during a time of uncertainty was a good way for people to spend their time. So when Kubota heard that we were going to be planting gardens for our neighbors, they offered the use of their equipment, which for us, it couldn't have been better timed. So because of the help that we have received, we've been able to do 20 gardens in 30 days. So today we are building a garden that has been customized for our new neighbors, Martin and Gladys. And we could not think of a better way to end this project, and we could not think of better human beings to do this with.
My name is Gladys Cobley. I'm married to Martin St. Louis. We have 2 children. We decided to move here because my husband retired, and we saw this island, the house, and we love it.
Jake and his mother approached me and said, hey, we have a great idea, and would you be interested in making a garden in your backyard? Certainly, we love this. We feel more grounded.
One of the best things about this particular garden is that every single element has come from the land and from our land. The compost, the dirt, the wood, the stone, everything has come from the farm and from the island, and we are bringing it together in a unique and special way. Will and I have come up with this design to represent the symmetry and the community and the interplay of that relationship. We are building something that is going to last years and generations, and we're not just talking about the plants, we're talking about the human connection that that represents. The generosity that Kubota has shown to Topsy Farms and to Amherst Island, there's no words. That really is truly heart-filling amazing. What we have been able to do because of the Kubota equipment, we could not have done this with our own machinery. We don't even have a trailer.
With those toys, you can do a 1-week job in an hour, so thank you very much to Kubota. Thank you to Topsy Farm. From the beginning, make us feel like we're here for 100 years.
Share your journey with us. Tag Kubota Canada, #GrowStronger. Grow your garden, grow yourself, grow your community, grow stronger. Did I miss anything? Because I can add to it.